The following video is designed to give further information around the filter options in the Camps app. This video will focus on just the primary filter options. We will cover the advanced filters in another video. Today we'll be exploring around the Kenilworth Mullaney area. As you can see, the app is populated with many site markers in various colours and is designed in a visual way, so the use of filters is not always necessary, as you can easily see at a glance the different types of options available for you. Each site type within the Camps app has a specific colour and symbol, so we recommend keeping your filter settings as simple as possible, only selecting the essentials that relate to your style of travel. We recommend to first set only your pet requirements and vehicle suitability and then expand from there. Many times new users will select far too many filters and then are not able to find suitable camps. Sites may match 8 out of 10 of the filters applied, but will be eliminated from displayed results as they do not meet a non-essential requirement set in your filter settings. To see the full list of symbols and their meanings, please tap in the Home tab in the bottom left, then the 3 lines in the top right for the main menu. Then select Map and Site Symbol Key from the list to see the full details. You can also tap any symbol within a site's listing for a short description of the symbol's meaning. As you can see, the black moon and star symbols indicate free or donation sites, RV parks in purple with a motorhome, and pub stays are displayed with a pink beer, for example. We will now head back to the main Explore map and break down the filter options for you. The Camps app filter options are found at the top of the page below the search bar. Simply tap the filter button to display the full details. Within the filters, we have 2 main categories, primary and advanced. The primary filters contain essential options relating to how you like to travel. The advanced filters focus on features and amenities of a site and are used to refine broader searches and help you find the perfect campsite. Please note, as you apply filters, you will see the Show Results button in the bottom right corner, update the available results, and reduce the pool of available sites. If you have conflicting filters, you will see this number reduced dramatically and may need to simplify your filter settings. We recommend first applying only primary filters to cast your net as wide as possible. Setting too many filters can eliminate many great sites from displaying your filtered results. Distance. Here you can apply a distance filter based on your current location. This can be set from 20 to 500 kilometers as the crow flies, and sets a circular boundary from your location to available sites. For detailed by road distances, please use the Camps app trip planner for route plotting. Site types. Here you can choose to only display certain categories of site type. With no filter set, you will see all available site types within the app. These are exclusionary filters. Making a selection will eliminate all other options from the app except what is selected. If you are not specifically looking for a particular type of camp based on your previous travel experiences, please do not apply any filters at this time. Many times users will limit the pool of available sites by only selecting a very limited number of site types and may miss out on seeing many great camps within the app. The use of other filters through this tutorial will help isolate sites that suit your needs without exempting a site type, which may have everything you require for camping. The site type filter can be very useful when looking for a specific category of site, like caravan parks, or can be used when trying to find public dump points, water filling stations, or info centres. This will all display on the map automatically, but can be useful when trying to find a specific feature. State. Here you can apply filters to see only results in a specific state. You can apply multiple state filters at the same time if you are travelling interstate, for example. Price. Here you apply a range of prices suitable for your budget. We do advise to have some flexibility with pricing. Limiting the price point, especially in popular tourist areas, may eliminate great sites from displaying in your filtered results. Please select all of the preferred price ranges for your stay to ensure you capture as many sites as possible. Pets. If you are not travelling with a pet, then you most likely do not need to make a selection here, as the result will not affect your stay. If you are travelling with a furry friend, select Pets Allowed and/or Pet Seasonal. Pet Seasonal generally applies to caravan parks, which may allow pets on site, but generally not during peak time like Christmas or Easter. The pet filters combined within the app, so you can select both Pets Allowed as well as Pet Seasonally Allowed. Suitability. This option allows you to select your vehicle preferences and eliminate sites that do not support your vehicle type. You can also select sites that are suitable for self-contained vehicles, four-wheel drive only sites, as well as dry weather access only if you have concerns about accessibility during periods of wet weather. This may mean the site is cut off via creeks during flood events, potentially boggy ground, or access tracks during wet weather. It is advised to contact these sites directly. Once you have applied your filters as required, simply tap the Show Results button in the bottom right corner to filter your results in the app. For this example, we will set a few essential parameters to see how results are affected in the app. We will first select a few price options, including free donation sites, fees under $25, and fees under $40. This reduces the pool of options from approximately 12,000 to 8,000. We will leave all site types available as our price, pets, and vehicle filters will adjust things as we require. Next, we will select Pets Allowed, which further reduces the results down to approximately 6,000. Lastly, we will select Caravan as our preferred camping method, which then further reduces availability to approximately 5,000 sites. You will then see a reduced pool of sites available on the Explore page map. The colour-coded site type symbols quickly highlight the different types of sites available. In this case, we can see some farm stays, showgrounds, a free camp, as well as state forest sites. Tapping on any one of these symbols will give you the summary information about the site. Tapping again allows you to see the full site listing details. For more information and a breakdown of the site's data, please refer to our How Do I Locate a Site tutorial video. Happy travels!